Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how you can migrate your site from one hosting or from one domain to another domain. So for that we'll be using a plugin that is all-in-one migration. Let me do it. So this is the plugin. You just need to install it and activate it. And as you can see here, the options are appeared. Now from here you just need to export this. Click on export and make sure you export the file in the file option so that you get a offline copy of this. So the file size is a bit big, so it might take some time. So the file size is of 528 MB. Just hit download. You can save it anywhere, wherever you want. And the download has started. So the file has been downloaded successfully. Now we will install the same plugin in the hosting or the WordPress where we need to install this. So we will go here, and as you can see I have already installed the and activated the plugin. So I will just import this. So I need to drag this file into the import option, and okay, so it is saying that your file exceeds the maximum upload size for this site. So as the file maximum file limit is 32 MB in our hosting, so we need to extend this limit. So for that I'll be giving you a link from where you can download the plugin and the premium version of this plugin, and that too free of cost. So let me first delete this plugin and then I'll install the premium version of plugin. Deactivate this and then delete this. Now I'll be providing you the link. Just copy this and install this plugin. So let me upload this plugin, add new, upload, and drag and drop, unzip it, activate. So as you can see now the premium version of the plugin has been activated. We'll try to import this file. So now here the size is showing as unlimited. So we'll be able to import the file. Let's see, is it allowing us? I guess this was the file which we were trying to install, and now it is uploading. It might take some time because the file size was pretty big. It was more than 500 MB, I guess. Okay, so the website has been imported, and now we are seeing an notification that is warning sign. The import process will overwrite your website. So it is gonna overwrite our current website, which right now has been hosted. So yeah, we want that to be overwritten. So we'll just click proceed, and it might take some time. And yes, your data has been imported successfully, and now you can close it. And if you go to the list of plugins, okay, so it has thrown us out, so we need to log in again. Let me log in and then I'll show you. Okay, so I have been logged in into the WordPress again. Now if I go to the installed plugin, you can see all the different plugins has been updated here. Now first of all we'll deactivate the WP migration and delete this. So the plugin has been deleted, and the website has been uploaded and updated successfully. You can see different pages has been formed here. Even the post, whatever the uh, post and pages were there in the previous website, will be seeing in the in this website now. So thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the video, kindly give your comments and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any help with this, you can comment in the you can comment, and I'll try to assist you. Thank you so much.